Hi, I'm Reyne.
And I'm Lynette.
In 2021, we made the decision to sell our home in the East Bay and relocate to the foothills of California.
Join us in our journey living the foothill life.
Hi, you guys. I'm done with all my canning. Now I'm going to be doing some baking, and I wanted to share my vanilla pudding banana bread recipe with you. The vanilla pudding in it makes it very moist and tasty. It's actually not my recipe. It is off the internet. So if you want the recipe, it's just type in Google vanilla pudding banana bread. It's amazing. You have to try it. All right. So first, I need 3 bananas. Very ripe. See how ripe they are? You don't want green ones. Get the little stringy things off too. I'm going to mash those up a little bit with a fork. Make it easier to mix. I do have a really nice mixer, but it tends to, like I used it last year with cookies and stuff, and it tends to make them denser. I don't know, it's weird. I must have mixed them too long or something. I just prefer to use a hand mixer. That's probably good right there. I'm going to save that because I have to make a few loaves of these. All right, now I'm going to add half a cup of butter, and it has to be at room temperature. I use salted. Butter. One cup of the vanilla pudding. Okay, vanilla pudding. Ooh, yum, vanilla pudding. One cup of vanilla pudding. One cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar. Another cup here. Let's see, a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. So all the wet's going one, and all the dry's going another. These are from my hens. All right, that egg looks good. My hens are good little girls. All 8 of them lay every single day, even in the winter. That's a good one, 2. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I use pure vanilla, no imitation. I love vanilla. Love vanilla. Alright, there's a teaspoon. And then mix. They're gonna have stuff all over me. That's what they're for. Alright, I like to leave the bananas a little chunky. It's good to get a little bite of chunky banana. Now, in a separate bowl, I need 2.5 cups of flour. Put that there, that's true. This out of the way. I add my wet to my dry. I don't add my dry to my wet. I've always done it that way. So I get the bigger bowl for the dry. Two and a half cups of flour. Alright. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Let me get another teaspoon. I buy baking soda in bulk, so I just put it in a bag. Got tons of baking soda. Let's leave that in there. And a half teaspoon of salt. I like to use sea salt. Although we've got salted butter, but salt is good. Good. And I will mix that together with my little whisker. Make sure I got everything here. Excuse me. I'm not sick. I just cough. Flour, eggs, extraction. Okay, I got everything. Add some of that mixture in there. You don't want to mix this too much. Like I said, if you do that, it makes everything kind of dense. Very easy recipe. A lot easier than canning. Canning just takes forever. I'm going to use the mixer a little bit. that's it. Just make sure all the flour, all the dry ingredients are mixed in well, but you don't want to overmix. I'll take my baking pan, spray a little, what do you call it, spam or Pam or Pam? You do coconut oil, whatever. Sorry about that. Battery died. And Lynette's at the post office right now, so I had to find where she put the other battery at. Anyway, now we're gonna pour the concoction. I love to put walnuts in mine, but pretty much Lynette and our whole family don't like walnuts or nuts in the bread. So, and this is pretty much who I'm making it for. My family lives in Montana, so I don't get to bake for them. Alright. I level all that out. Some of this off here. I don't want it to get burnt. Set your excuse me, oven for 325, which is weird. I usually do 350, and cook it for an hour. So that's what we're gonna do. When it's done, I will bring one out and show it to you. I'm not gonna taste test it because I'm only making enough for the family. The oven is ready. I'm actually gonna put 2 of them. I might have to move that rack at a time. Hopefully that doesn't ruin anything. Don't mind my dirty oven. Just take that rack out because these are going to raise. And then we'll be back in an hour. Alright you guys, there is the vanilla pudding banana bread. It smells amazing. I did have to let it cook another 10 minutes. It was still a little bit wet when I put a toothpick in. So I would recommend, instead of 325, go 350 for an hour. I am 2,500 feet in altitude, so that could be the difference too. So I hope you try this recipe. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. Thumbs up if you like what you saw in the video today. And leave a comment. Give me your recipe for banana bread. I would love to try it. Thank you. Have a great night.